Welcome to a world of timeless elegance and enduring quality. Your sanctuary awaits. Transform your backyard into a space of limitless possibilities with the Esquire Beyond Shed from Sunjoy. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this generous 10 by 12.5 foot shed features superior craftsmanship and durability. With insulated walls, doors, windows, roof, and floor, you'll experience comfort and the peace of mind that comes with quality construction year-round. Bright and spacious, it comes packed with amenities, starting with the attractive double-door entry and the heavy-duty mounting panel for hanging a TV, complete with access ports for running electrical hookups. The vaulted ceiling and built-in ceiling hook let you customize your lighting solutions to accommodate your transformation goals, and the moisture-proof floor adds a touch of style. Embrace natural light through two energy-efficient, operable, double-pane tempered glass windows complemented by integrated screens and blinds. The built-in blinds on the windows and doors are a breeze to adjust with the integrated easy-to-use controls, taking the outside air with easy-to-open windows. Inclement weather is nothing to worry about as the design directs water away from the interior. And it's just as easy to close the windows on a winter's day and enjoy the warmth of your well-insulated, weather-resistant hideaway. Keep the bugs at bay with the convenience of pull-down screens on the window. No pests allowed. The luxurious double doors feature the same integrated, easy-to-operate blind technology, so you can enjoy as much light or as much privacy as you desire at any given moment. And when you're done, lock up the double doors and keep everything safe and sound. The Esquire Beyond Shed is more than a structure. It's a platform for dreams. And at Sunjoy, we encourage you to dream big.